Meaning of enterprising.
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 Enterprising. Enterprising refers to someone who has a bold and adventurous spirit, with the ability to take initiative and risks in order to achieve success. This trait is often associated with entrepreneurs or business leaders who are willing to pursue new opportunities or create innovative solutions to problems. The result of being enterprising can be the development of successful ventures, the achievement of significant milestones, and the creation of a positive impact on society. It requires a combination of creativity, resourcefulness, confidence, and hard work to succeed as an enterprising individual.